Good evening. Welcome to Current Affairs. In this session, we are going to discuss regarding what is bumper to bumper insurance. Now, it is very much there in the news. It is because a directive has been given by one of the honorable high courts in India. What is that high court and why that particular judgment was given, order was given, and what is the meaning of this bumper to bumper insurance? Let's try to understand. So we know what is insurance, what is the vehicle insurance and various types of insurances we know. But here it is very specific to bumper insurance. Just remember one point, when we say bumper to bumper insurance means it is the coverage of 100% damage. Coverage of 100% damage is called bumper to bumper insurance. So regarding that, I would like to open the document and show you the question. Then we'll be going ahead with the discussion on this. Look at this. So the topic is bumper to bumper insurance. Now the question is that which of the following high courts said that bumper to bumper insurance is mandatory? Insurance is mandatory from September 1st, 2021. Very important one. So whenever any high court gives such type of orders, that may be a question in the examination. Fine. So look at the question once again. Which of the following high courts said that the bumper to bumper insurance is mandatory from September 1st, 2021? Is it Delhi High Court or Bombay High Court or Madras High Court or Calcutta High Court? Look at all the names very clearly, and correct answer is option C. Option C, that is Madras High Court. Look at this. So now let's have a look at this. So when I say bumper to bumper, this is a comprehensive insurance policy which provides 100% of coverage of damages to fiber, metal and rubber parts of your car. Very important one. You need to remember this, because when it comes to the vehicle insurance, they will say so and so parts are not covered and you have to pay for that. So many things they will say. But when I say bumper to bumper insurance, that is a comprehensive 100% coverage of damage, let it be fiber, metal or rubber parts. Clear? So, and this insurance policy is ideal for the following kinds of owners. So who got a new car, those who own luxury cars, those who drive their cars on accident prone areas, new or inexperienced drivers. For everyone, this particular policy will be very useful. Clear? But kindly remember, you need to understand the concept of bumper to bumper insurance. Then remember the Madras High Court. Fine, that will be helpful to you. Now if you look at this clearly, while bumper to bumper policies covers 100% of the claim value, comprehensive policies will pay for only a certain percentage of the expenses. For example, some comprehensive plans will pay only 50%. You might have experience about this. For so and so part, only 50% is covered. Who should pay remaining 50%? We have to pay the remaining 50%. Clear? But in a significant order that is issued by Honorable Madras High Court, it ruled that this particular bumper to bumper insurance is mandatory. And whenever a new vehicle is sold, and this is going to come into effect from September 1st, 2021. Is that okay? This must be in addition to covering the driver, passengers and owner of the vehicles for a period of 5 years. Clear? Very, very, very important one. Thereafter, the owner of the vehicle must be cautious in safeguarding the interest of the driver, passengers, and third parties, himself or herself, so as to avoid the liability being foisted on the owner of the vehicle as it is beyond 5 years. Clear? Very, very important one. And another important thing, as of today, there is no provision to extend the bumper to bumper policy due to its non availability. Kindly remember 3 points. What is bumper to bumper insurance, and which court gave the order for the implementation of this, and from which date this is going to come into effect. Kindly remember these points. These will be the possible questions in the examination. Clear? And that's all for the day. I'll see you in the next class with other current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.